Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm like so excited about today's video. I'm participating in the DIY spring challenge, like spring craft challenge that Heidi Sambal is hosting from Happily Thriving Heidi. I will leave all of her info in the description box below and the playlist for everybody else that's participating. I love to do these because I love to see what everybody else comes up with. So don't forget to check that out. But in my video, I have chosen to, I can't like 100% call this dollar store DIY because I didn't get every single thing from the dollar store. However, you can get something similar to what I used at the dollar store. So please forgive me for that. But regardless, they're all very inexpensive and I think that you're really gonna like them. So just keep watching. Okay, for our first DIY, you're gonna need one of these little bunnies that I got at the Dollar Tree. I don't know, it just says Decor on there. Some yarn. This isn't from the Dollar Tree, but I didn't buy this. I had this left over from a craft project that I did for Christmas, and so I want to just use it. But the dollar store does carry yarn now. I saw it there when I was shopping, so you can get yarn from there. I'm just using this knit one because I think it's going to make it look really fluffy and cute. I will say you do need something thicker, but I'll show you why in just a minute. And then you'll just need a glue gun. So what first thing you're going to do is, I've kind of started here so you can see, is take off the tinsel off of this plastic little form. And if you can see here, I don't know if you can see, but there's little like notches that hold the tinsel on that we're going to use to hold on the yarn. You'll see in just a minute, but I'm going to go ahead and take all of the tinsel off and come back and show you what I'm left with. I'm back now with the bunnies, the tinsel taken off the bunnies, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by wrapping this yarn. If you've been around here for a while, you know I love to do this kind of stuff. Last year I made another bunny. I will put in the screen now and then I'll have it linked down below. Of a different way you can do this. I really just wanted to try and find things for this video though that you could buy at the dollar store. So check out the other video because it's really cute and I love how that bunny turned out. But let's go ahead and just cut these off here. And I'm just going to start on the head part, and I'm just like simple, super simple. And what I mean when I said you need a thicker ribbon, you could cut all of these off, these little note things off, but they actually come in really helpful with this thicker yarn because it gives the yarn something to hold on to. So if you don't have thicker yarn, I would cut these off, but if you do have thick yarn, you don't need to do that. So I'm just going to start by wrapping the this bunny. I'm going to start with the end in the back and wrap over it to kind of hold it in place. DIY number 2, we are going to use these really cute carrots. Again, these are from the dollar store, and this is from the dollar store too. And it's really simple. We are going to make a little garland. You're going to take 2 carrots together like this. You're going to take your twine, and you're going to want to give it a little bit of a tail, and then you're going to take 2 of the carrots like this together, so it kind of looks like that, and you're going to tie those in a knot, just like that, and then tie another knot just so that they're really secure. And kind of fan that out. And look how cute that is. And you're just going to do that all the way down. Okay, this one's done. I just put them all on the string like that. You saw me do that. They do move, so if they're not exactly spaced evenly, they do move a little bit to help you with that. DIY, I picked up this really cute little pendant sign from the dollar store. I had some paper just laying around that I got at Hobby Lobby, and then I picked up this little Hello Spring. It was like on it had a metal stick. I got it at Michael's, but I used the 40% off coupon, so it was only $1 too. So I feel okay putting that in here, but you can find little wood cutouts at the dollar store for spring or Easter or whatever, and you could use those too. So don't think you can't do this if you don't, since it's not from the dollar, everything's not from the dollar store. I'll talk about this at the end of the video about dollar store crafts and kind of my feeling about them, but let's just keep going on this. So all I'm going to do, you could paint this, but it has a texture on it, and because this is all glittery, and I've done that in the past. I've made a couple of these, and I don't like the painted look. So I'm just going to cover it in paper, and all I'm going to do is flip it over and trace it. I kind of already did it so that I knew what before I got to the video. Anyway, just trace it and cut it out and glue it on, and then we'll go from there. You can see there's kind of a little bit of bubbling here, but once this rubber cement dries, you won't see these bubbles anymore. I don't know why it does that. If you guys have a different alternative, let me know. But I have made one of these previously for my daughter's room for Christmas, and all of these went away, so I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to set this aside, and we're going to work on the Hello Spring. And literally, you could paint this. That would be cute. You could just even put that on there like that. But I am going to stain mine, and I'm going to do this off camera so I don't have to move my camera. But I'm going to just stain it with this wood stain that I got at Walmart, and it's Early American. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will be back. Okay, so you can see it's kind of flattened out, and it just, you could put a different ribbon on there, but I think I'm just going to use the same ribbon. I have stained my Hello Spring, and all I'm going to do is glue it on. This is like the easiest DIY in all the land, but it's super cute. Okay guys, I'm back in the same spot here that I was at the beginning of the video, but I just wanted to hop on really quick and tell you thank you for watching. If you love DIY crafts, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and join our little family here. It's so much fun getting to know you guys. And you can also follow me on Instagram. If you choose to, that's in the description box below. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you love the DIYs. Let me know what your favorite is in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Take care. See ya.